Welcome back to AutoMaster, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 BMW XM. This is BMW's ultimate high-performance luxury SUV, blending cutting-edge technology with bold design and raw power. The BMW XM is not just another SUV, it's a statement. Designed as a plug-in hybrid performance machine, it combines electrification with BMW's legendary M-Power. At first glance, the exterior is impossible to ignore. The massive kidney grille, now with illuminated contour lighting, dominates the front, while sleek adaptive LED headlights give it an aggressive stance. The sculpted hood and muscular lines flow seamlessly into the wide fenders, emphasizing its powerful presence. At the rear, the stacked quad exhausts and sharply designed taillights add a futuristic edge, making sure it stands out from every angle. Step inside, and you are greeted with an interior that defines luxury and sportiness. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trims, and an advanced curved infotainment display make it feel like a high-tech cockpit. The BMW iDrive 8.5 system offers an intuitive experience, with a massive touchscreen and advanced voice controls. The rear seats provide executive-class comfort, making every ride an experience in itself. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW XM is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with an electric motor, producing a staggering 738 horsepower. This hybrid beast can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, delivering both efficiency and performance. The plug-in hybrid system allows for an all-electric range of around 30 miles, making it practical for city driving while offering brutal acceleration when needed. The price of the BMW XM starts at around $160,000, making it a premium offering for those who seek both performance and luxury. Its unique selling point is the perfect balance of electrification, high-performance driving, and BMW's MDNA in an SUV format. That's all for today's review on the 2025 BMW XM. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to AutoMaster for more in-depth car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of BMW's high-performance hybrid SUV. See you in the next video.